Hello student, in this video we are going to discuss about deleting the elements from the list. How to delete elements from the list by using different methods like using del statement, remove function, pop function and clear function. Okay, we are going to see the syntax and example of using these functions. There are two ways to delete. One is by using del statement, another one is by using remove function, pop function or clear function. Okay, so the first one is del statement, that is by using statement, del statement or by using the functions. First we are going to discuss about how to use del statement. Del statement is used to delete elements whose index is known. If you know the index of a particular element, then we can use the del statement and delete the particular element. It is used to delete single element, range of elements and entire list. So either you can delete a single element, multiple elements or the entire list itself. Okay, so if you know the index only, we can delete a particular element. So now we shall see the syntax. First one is del list index of an element within square bracket. So always if you are specifying the index, means it should be given within square bracket. So this is used for deleting a particular element. Next one is del list. List means list name and index from colon index to. So I want to delete the range of elements. So we have to specify starting index colon ending index. So this is used for deleting multiple elements. Next one is del list. This is used for deleting the entire list itself. Okay, so now we shall see the example. So delete single element. Now how to delete a single element? My subject is equal to Tamil, Hindi, Telugu, Maths. That is, I have initialized one list with 4 values in it. Okay, so I am giving del my subjects of 1. That means I want to delete a value whose index is 1. Okay, now we shall see the index Tamil, Hindi, Telugu, Maths, and the index corresponding index is it is given as 0, 1, 2, 3. What I have given, delete my subjects of 1. So what is the value corresponding index is 1, that is Hindi. So Hindi will be deleted. You will have remaining elements as Tamil, Telugu and Maths. Okay, so if I give print of my subjects, you will get the output as Tamil, Telugu and Maths because Hindi is deleted. Okay, so next one, if I want to delete a range of elements, so how to delete the range of elements we are going to discuss. So del my subjects 1 is to 3. So starting index is 1, ending index is 3. Ending index is 3 means we should consider this as 2. Okay, because we have to minus 1. So 1 is to 2. So we have to delete the particular elements from 1 is to 2. Okay, so 1 is to 2 means after deleting Hindi, this will become Tamil will become, take the value as index value as 0 and Hindi is deleted. Telugu is 1. This is a new list after deleting single element. Okay, 0, 1, 2. Now we are specifying 1 is to 3. Okay, so 1 is to 3 means, so it will be deleting Telugu and Maths. So that will be deleted. Okay, so this is deleted. So print of my subjects means you'll be getting the output as only Tamil. Now the list is having only Tamil. So it deletes elements from 1 to 2. So Telugu and Maths will be deleted. So remaining only one element present. So if I give print my subjects, Tamil is printed. Next, delete entire list. How to delete the entire list? Del just the list name I have to give. So if I write like this, the list itself will be deleted. The elements will also be deleted, as well as the list will not be present, will not exist. So if I give print my subjects means it will show error. Okay, so not only delete the content, it delete the entire list itself. So the list doesn't exist in the memory. So it is, so if I give print my subjects means it will give error. Okay, now next we will see about the different functions. Remove, pop and clear. Remove function. The first one is the remove function that can be used to delete one or more elements if the index value is not known. Okay, so if I do not know the index value but I want to delete a particular element, I know the value means you can use the remove function. Next one is the pop function. Pop function can be used to delete an element using the given index value. So you can similar to your del statement, this pop function can also be used. Okay, so it by specifying the index value I can give the pop function, that particular element will be deleted. It deletes and returns the last element of a list if the index is not known. So, and what is the difference between del and pop? So, del means it will be deleting. If I give the index, corresponding value will be deleted. Here, this also does the same, but it returns the last element. So, what value is deleting, that will be returned, okay, if you use the pop function. Next one is clear. What is the use of clear? Clear is used to delete all the elements in the list. So if I write del list, means it is deleting the entire list. Now same thing, action is done by using clear function also. It is also used to delete all the elements. It deletes only the elements and retains the list. So what is the difference between del list name and clear function? So clear for del list, if I give, means it deletes completely. The list elements will be deleted. The list will also be erased from the memory. Okay, it will not be present. Whereas if I use clear, means it delete only the elements. The list will be present. It retains a list. Later, if I want to add elements by using append function, I can add the elements to it. Okay, so that is the difference between clear and del statement. And next is, we shall see the syntax. List dot remove of element. Okay, so this is the function. So we have to write the list name first, dot, then write remove function, and within parenthesis, since it is a function, we should write parenthesis, not square bracket. Okay, element, write the element which you want to delete. Next, pop, I told we have to specify the index. So list dot pop of index of the element. Next one is the clear function. So list dot clear, the entire thing I want to delete it. So we have to specify only the empty parenthesis. Now we shall see the example, you can understand better. First one is the remove function. My list, I have given values, 3 integers and 3 string I have given. Totally 6 values are present. Print my list. So the entire list will be printed. Okay. See, I have specified the index 0 to 5. Okay. And next, my list dot remove of 89. That is, I want to delete which element? 89. Because when we are using remove function, we have to specify the element, not the index. So 89 is to be deleted. So this will be deleted. Okay. So next, if I give print of my list, means the remaining elements will be printed. After deleting 89, the remaining elements will be printed. Okay. So we should see 1234 Kannan, Gauri Shankar, Lenin. So index will also be changed 0 to 5. Next one is a pop. How to use the pop function? My list dot pop of 134. So this pop function, when we are using, we have to specify the index. Okay, similar to del, we have to specify the index. So if I specify 1, then what is the element corresponding to 134? So 34 will be shown. Okay, so it will delete the element and it will also show which element is deleted. So if I give print of my list, 12 Kannan, Gauri Shankar, Lenin will be shown here. Okay. So pop function is used to delete a particular element using its index value. As soon as the element is deleted, the pop function shows the element which is deleted. So not only deletes element, it also shows which element is deleted, because we are specifying only the index. So it will show which element is deleted. Next one is a clear function. If you use the clear function, my list dot clear, this is how we have to use. So clear empty parenthesis. We are not going to specify anything inside the parenthesis. So if I use this, it deletes the content or elements present in the list, but the list will be existing. So if I give print of my list, it will show empty square bracket. That means it is an empty list. So later, if you want to add elements to this list, we can add. If I use del, means will completely delete the list. So delete does not exist if I use del statement. If I use clear, it will delete only the elements present and the empty list will be present. That means the list will retain the list. Now we will see the execution of the list. So first, LST, I am using initializing a list with 4 values. Let it be 2, 4, rat, rat, cat. Okay. So 4 elements I have initialized for the list LST. Okay. So now I want to delete one particular element. I am going to make use of del statement. Okay. So del LST, we have to specify the index when we are using the del statement. Okay. So LST I'm specifying index 1. So what is the element corresponding to index 1? 4. Okay. So if I print of LST, so 2 rat cat is displayed because 4 is the element corresponding to the index 1, that is deleted. So next we are going to delete range of elements. Del LST of, specify the range. So I am writing 0 is to 2. That means 0 to 1. So the elements present in 0 to 1 index will be deleted. So 2 and rat will be deleted. So if I give print of LST, okay, so it is showing only cat is present. So we have deleted the range of elements or multiple elements. Next one, I'm going to delete the list itself. So del LST. Okay, so the LST is deleted. Del LST, don't no, not parenthesis should not be used. Simply del LST. That's all. Okay, so it will be deleted. Now if I use print, it will show error. Print of LST, because it is completely erased. Okay, not only it erased the elements, it is also removed from the memory itself. So it's showing name LST is not defined, showing the name error. Okay, next we are going to make use of pop function, remove and clear. Okay, so now the element is not present, I am going to initialize again. So 2 comma 4 comma same elements I am going to add cat. Okay, so now I am writing LST dot, when we are using remove, that function means first write the list name and then write the function name. LST dot remove, LST dot remove of. So when we are using the remove function, we have to specify the element itself. Okay, so now I want to remove the element 4, so I am writing 4. See, if I give print LST, so remaining elements are displayed. Okay, so now next one, LST dot pop function. Pop function, when we are using, we have to specify the index. So I am writing 1, the index 1. I want to delete the element which is present in the index 1. So pop function, del also does the same, but del won't show the element which is deleted. But when I use the pop function, it will show the element which is deleted. Okay, so rat is deleted because it is present in the index 1, 0, 1. Next one is print. I'm writing LST. Okay, so remaining 2 elements will be there. So because rat is deleted. Okay, now I am deleting the entire list by using clear function. Okay, so LST dot clear, empty parenthesis. See, if I give print of LST, so it will show, it is not showing error because the list is present. It is an empty list, there is no elements, but the list is existing in the memory. So because of that, it's showing square bracket, that means it is an empty list. So if I want to add elements to it, I can add LST dot append. By using append function, I can add the elements. Simply I am adding only one element, so I am using append function. Okay, so now if I give print of LST, that element will be printed. Now if I want to add more elements, means I have to write extend parenthesis square bracket, list of values you want to give. So 2 comma 4 comma 6, close the parenthesis. Now I am giving print of LST. So it's created. So if we use clear, we can create delete only the content, the list is present, and whenever we need, we can add the elements to the list. But when we use del, completely the list will be removed from the memory itself. Okay,